It is winter time, guys, so it is really important to add an exfoliant to our routine. And for today's video, I wanted to review the DERMA E Overnight Peel. I'm gonna be sharing with you before and after images of how my skin looks the next day when I apply this product. The way DERMA E Overnight Peel works is by exfoliating and removing effectively all dead skin cells that are stuck in our skin. This peel contains 5% of alpha hydroxy acid at a pH level of 3.5. which means this product will improve your skin appearance right away, and it will help you to treat age spots, wrinkles, and blemishes over time. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you a small demonstration. How do I apply this? Before going to bed, I wash my face with my regular cleanser, and then I use 2 pumps of this product. If it is the first time, you should use only 1 pump. Just apply like a regular cream. Don't forget your neck, and then you go to bed. That's all I do. As soon as I wake up, I wash my face. I don't let it sit because this product is sensitive to the sunlight. So tomorrow I'm gonna show you how my skin looks. As you guys can see, my skin looks amazing. It feels great. I don't have more of those little bumps that I was telling you guys on my forehead, and my skin is glowy. It looks really plump and absolutely exfoliate. Like I already said, I've been using this product for the past year. The first weeks, I remembered every time I was applying the DERMA E Overnight Peel, I will get a little bit of a tingling sensation that it will go away around a minute or something like that. Now I apply it and I don't feel anything. I feel my skin is already used to this product. The first reaction the next day, I was like, whoa. My skin was so glowy. It looked really healthy. It looked beautiful, like plump. It looks refreshed. I absolutely love it. I was like, yes, this thing, it is amazing. This is not a product that is going to get rid of the acne scars or the pigmentation overnight. It doesn't do that. It takes some time for this product to work on those kind of problems. 1.5 months, I start seeing better results. Now I've been working on some of these right here, as you can see, and it's been doing a great job. So if you have hyperpigmentation problems, this product, it is incredible on doing that, but you have to be consistent. This overnight peel, it says it is suitable for all skin types. Don't think it should be used on sensitive skin. I was reading online that some people have sensitive skin and they said they were completely fine, but there were other people that were saying that they have a kind of like a chemical reaction. Their skin was burning, which this should not be burning to you when you put it on your skin at all. In this product, it is absolutely perfect to revive your skin or want to work on some fine lines or work on hyperpigmentation or acne scars. I think DERMA E Overnight Peel, it is kind of like the product that you want to give it a try. And now that I'm getting more into the chemical exfoliators, I cannot stop reading about it. So if you know some products that I must try and I should review for you guys, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, and if you don't like it, just give it a thumbs down so I can know what kind of topics you guys like. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Pura Vida!